Josie's Fun Kitchen. We're back with another quick recipe. Today I'm going to be using my Instant Pot. I'm going to make this very nice and brief, not very instructional because I know you all know how to cut up some onions, but I have turned on the saute to high on my Instant Pot. I am now prepping some garlic in some canola oil, about 2 tablespoons of canola oil. And I'm not going to let that stay in there too long. I just want to flavor the oil. And I have 1 onion, not a tomato like I said before in another video, but one onion and about 2 stalks of celery, and they're all roughly big chopped. Here's what's going to happen. In about a minute or two, I'm going to take this pot roast. That's about 2 to 3 pounds of pot roast or chuck roast. I put kosher salt on it. I'm gonna throw it in there, searing hot for 8 minutes. Then I'm not gonna touch it. Oops, I know that I'm gonna probably have the alarm go off. And then I'm gonna flip it and leave it on there for 5 minutes. Once it's finished, I'm gonna take it out. Then I'm gonna put the onions, the celery, and the rest of the garlic in there. Saute it very quickly. And I might have a little bit of wine with me, so I'm just gonna pour a little white wine in there and into the vegetables. And then I'm gonna put the meat back in there. And I'm gonna have 1, ranch dressing packet and 1 Aus Jus packet. Pour it on top and 3/4 cup of water. Cover it up. Put it out 45 minutes on the meat and stew button, and we're good to go. So stand by, we'll be back. Having fun in Josie's kitchen. Okay, it is hot, so get ready. It's gonna go. There we go. Okay, 8 minutes is up. A little bit of kosher salt on this side. I'm gonna use this knife to help me out. Gonna flip it. Oh, that looks beautiful. The nice sear marks. I'm not gonna touch it. 5 minutes. Okay, I got my plate out, and we're going to take, put it right there. That did not look beautiful. It's, you know, food has to look, you get hungry with your eyes. I'm going to put it on the side over here. Have some juices in here, and now what I'm going to do is, it's getting back up to hot. Add a little bit more. I'm using canola oil because that can take the heat. But I keep doing that. I'm doing the dance. Doing a little dance. Getting my thighs in shape. Okay, this should be hot enough because it's popping. But now I'm going to throw in the onions. Saute that up. I have my big spoon. Throw in the garlic. Mix that. Those yummies. This looks really good. And I'm going to say about 1/3 of a cup of wine. Hear that? That in there, kind of bring it up to a boil, and then we're going to take the pot roast and put it back on there. Add a little bit of pepper. My nephew teases me because this is one of the, actually I got this at Williams Sonoma, and this is coarsely ground black pepper. I I just like my toys in the kitchen. And I'm going to grab a little bit of kosher salt, add that in there, mix it in, and okay. Take this, put it back in here, my plate over here in my kitchen. Place it in there. Take, you can see how easy this is. Put some of this on the top. Ranch dressing. I'm using onion gravy. I'm use a cup, maybe under a cup. I like a lot of juice. They cover all the meat. And then I chopped, chopped up some butter. Place it on top. Because you gotta have butter, okay? Oh. An onion is not butter. There it is. And take some pepperoncinis, put them in there. I'm gonna put about 5, 3. Do not rub your eyes after you have your fingers in here. And then add a tablespoon of juice. It's coming up to a boil. I'm gonna clean up in a little bit, but what you do is you hit the meat and stew button and set the timer for 45 minutes. We're gonna cover it up. Meat stew. Oh, I guess I need to cancel first. Then hit the meat stew. It's on for 45 minutes. And make sure you're sealing it. That's it. Now I'm gonna clean up. I can turn off my fan. Or put this down. Now I can have my wine. Cheers. Okay, what I'm going to do, I decided, is I'm going to have some Spaetzle on the side with this pot roast. With that, I need 2 eggs. I'm going to mix this together. I have a Spaetzle maker, which is this. And I will remember to put a link on the bottom of my video to let you know where you can get it. You can get it on Amazon. But I'm going to mix this together, add a little bit of salt, and 1 cup of flour. Mix it together. There we go. This is how I... Alexa, stop. Okay, mix this together. This is actually very easy when you're making it like this. So you're gonna make, can you see this? And you're gonna add 5 tablespoons, I have to think about that, 5 tablespoons of water. Mix that all together, combine it. Here we go, see this? Now, the water is boiling. I'm gonna move this over. I don't know how, yeah. Turn this off, move it over so you can see it. Move that. I don't want to start a fire. Okay. That's finished. Always have to double check those. Put this on top. And you know what? I always like to season the water. So I'm going to take some salt. Put that in there. And watch this. And you can put this on the side when you're finished. But you just lay it on top of that Spaetzle maker. You can use a spoon too, and I've showed you how to make gnocchi. But if you want this on the side, it just takes a few minutes to make it. That's all I do. Throw some of the boiling water, and you are finished. Look at that. It's floating, but I'm going to wait till it comes back up to a boil. and then it's finished. And then, of course, I need a strainer, a colander. I'm just gonna put it in the colander in the sink. So that's what I'm gonna have as a side dish with the pot roast tonight, along with a very simple tomato, cucumber, garlic, and shallots salad. Shallotta, as I call it. But I'm a mess right now. Of course, you know, when you see other videos, they don't show you this part, but I think I just burned my forearm. Anyway, all right, thanks. And you know, as we're going along here, I'll show you a picture of when it's finished, but please click on and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, and also turn on your notifications so that you can see it. I'm trying to build up my subscribers, and it's getting there. Just trying to get out. All right, cool. See, I don't know if you can see that, but I don't want to burn myself again, but kind of looks like it's pretty funny if I started burning. All right, thanks. Okay, I have a tablespoon of water here. I put a tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix that together. Give it a little. I'm about to take off the lid on the pressure cooker. Make sure on the pressure cooker that all the pressure is out. That could be a very dangerous thing. But there's a little metal thing over here and it'll let you know when the pressure is out. So we're going to take that out. It smells really good. I wish you could smell it. I'm going to put the meat on this wire over here. Here we go. So this one down. Open it. Yum. Okay, I added the cornstarch and the water. And here it is. The meat actually fell apart when I was putting it out.